Emergency stop.
For safety reasons, press the emergency stop button and unplug the battery connection cable. Removing the snowblower module, unscrew the 5 pairs of screws on the scraper bar. Take out scraper bar. Installing the new scraper bar. Gently install the 5 pairs of screws, do not tighten them so there is room for adjustment. Finally, tighten the screws to complete the installation. Use socket number 2 to remove the skid shoe. Partially peel off the sticker on the bottom. There is a hidden screw inside. Unscrew it with a cross screwdriver. Same method goes with the other side. Turn the snowblower module over. Remove the 4 screws that are securing the scraper assembly. Remove the scraper assembly. Install the new scraper assembly. Tighten the screws. Install skid shoe. Same method goes with the other side.